So today we're doing something that I've been wanting to do for so long, and that is we're completely changing Jashley's room under $150. So today we're just gonna like deep clean her room.
I'm excited.
Yeah, of course you are. I'm excited because I just really enjoy organizing stuff. She's excited because she just gets a free freaking room makeover. So all right, so we just started. haven't done anything yet. We just started. I opened the first drawer. Guys, here, let's look at everyone. Oh my god, that doesn't even open. What is this? Oh my, Josh, where are your clothes? What's in this one? Oh my god. So far 2 drawers have clothes in them. Oh my god. What about this one? Jeez. Josh, you have a problem. This is the current situation. We already have 3 trash bags. That's what happens when you clean a room. She found those bangs and she has not taken them off. Well, it's a few hours later. We didn't do as much as I expected us to. That one vanity dresser took 2 hours by itself. But let me show you the progress that we did. Now, empty, empty, empty. And then there's only 3 that I left stuff in. This one is like a little jewelry slash kind of junk drawer. This is all of her like school stuff, and this one is all of her hair products. All right guys, so today is day 2 of this room makeover. We're gonna work on her closet. Let me just show you her closet. Oh my gosh. So yeah, we're just gonna jump right into it. Probably just time lapse some more because it's gonna take 5 ever. Almost done. We're almost done. We're almost done. Can you take this? Right, let's show you her empty-ish closet. Ooh, empty-ish. And then we have to do all that. And all that. So this is the current situation. That is all donation. This is all keep. That's all keep. That's trash. Okay, so quick little update. We just finished the closet. That was a mission, but honestly, it looks so good. I think I want to show you the reveal of that at the end just because that was a huge difference. Like, it looks really good. I look a little bit like a potato, but it's because we're finally getting ready to paint. We finished all of the cleaning. Josh is taping over the little outlets, and yep, we're just gonna start painting. So today is the next day and we finally finished the room. You can kind of see in the background. Ooh, nice and white. There's a whole mess. So right now we're just gonna clean it all up and then we're gonna show you a little time lapse of us setting the room up finally, all the decorations and everything, and then a final reveal. We're finally done. I'm gonna give you the full reveal of what it looks like now. You guys are ready? Alright guys, well, let us know if you guys enjoyed this, because we probably will do some more room makeovers. I don't know. I feel like minimalistic vibes are really easy to achieve and like at really low cost. So if you guys ever want to switch things up, go minimalistic. Hope you guys enjoyed this.
Like and subscribe.
And we'll see you next time. Bye!